Is Japanese gel just a vanity gel to create kawaii and modern nail art, or can it be used as a gel to correct unsightly nail conditions also? In this video, I will be showing you how to take unsightly ridgeting on the natural nails to a beautiful nail enhancement using Japanese gel only. Greetings and welcome back. If you are new here, I am Paola of paolaponcenails.com, and I help aspiring nail solopreneurs and current ones too master gel nails using Japanese gel only. So you've seen all the fun nail art that Japanese gel nail stylists create, and boy can it be fun. But is that it? Is Japanese gel just gel for the fun stuff and for those who already have pristine nails? Not at all. For about 5 years, I used Japanese gel in the salon to help clients achieve their natural nail goals. That included turning nubs into beautiful natural nail enhancements before even dolling them up with nail art. Well, much in the same way today, we are going to take unsightly ridgeting on a nail and transform it into a beautiful natural looking nail enhancement. That brings up a good point, by the way. Many people cannot get rid of bad nail habits that cause unsightly nails because they look at artificial nails as temporary fix, right? They never really feel their own, so they only get them done like every so often. And that is just not the case with Japanese gel. So the unsightly ridges on this nail are most likely due to years of a bad habit. What exactly is this bad habit? Sticking your thumb in your mouth and scraping the nail with your bottom teeth. Yep, this person can stop, won't stop. But there is a little hope in the horizon as I've seen some improvement. So stick around for that. So to get this nail on the road to recovery, I am going to create a Japanese gel nail extension. But first, let's give it a proper prep. Now I'm going to be primarily using Leafgel Japanese Gel to beautify this nail and give it an extension. thin this extension is. An extension with Japanese gel feels very natural and lightweight, which is important for those with bad nail habits. It really encourages wearers to have nails that look and feel like their own, and they kind of leave them alone. If you want to familiarize yourself more with what Japanese gel nails are or Japanese gel, make sure to check out my Japanese gel playlist. If you want to join our community of current and aspiring Japanese gel nail stylists, make sure to join the Gel Boss Network group, where I also go live with free classes. Speaking of free, check out the link to my free masterclass below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more. See you next week.